Fear is your enemy. No other way to describe it. We fear the past, we fear the future, we fear the old age, the unseen, and even death. Fear is the reason behind failures. It is the reason why millions of people give up their passions, their dreams, their desires. They fear failure or fear what others will think and begin to doubt their capabilities. Fear doesn't help you. It hinders you. What is fear? Fear is a thought in the mind. If you continue to listen to that thought, you start imagining it and eventually you start believing in it. It then consumes you. When that happens, you become even afraid of your own thoughts. Fear can become so powerful that it can resonate with you for the rest of your life. The psychology of today is learn to live with your fears. Embrace your fears. It's normal to have fears. Everybody does. Right. While some fears are good, they are positive, and they even help us against danger, others are really bad. They are negative. One of the most common fears is fear of failure. It is the fear of failure that stops us from living the life that we want. Does it mean that you have to live with your fears? No, you don't have to. So what can you do to overcome your fears? There are at least 3 things that you can do right now. The first is change your mindset. One of the best ways to change your mindset is through positive affirmations. Positive affirmations means you keep telling your subconscious mind positive thoughts. Listen to them carefully and start to believe in them. The subconscious mind is easily persuaded by suggestions that you tell it. And especially when you are relaxed, the thoughts of your conscious mind sinks down into the subconscious by a sort of a process that is similar to osmosis. And for relaxation, you can use any of the relaxation techniques like deep breathing, visualization, or progressive muscle relaxation, and etc. And once you are in a relaxed state, you can use the positive affirmations. Like, for example, I am going to overcome this fear. I am overcoming it now. I am confident. I am smart. I am relaxed and at ease, and so on. Repeat these affirmations and do it for 10 minutes daily for 21 days. You might be surprised with the results. You can also use visualization technique. For example, suppose you are afraid of swimming. So what can you do? Sit down in a quiet room and a comfortable chair. Close your eyes and then breathe slowly. For 2-3 minutes, focus on your breathing. You're inhaling and exhaling. Once you feel relaxed, project the thoughts of swimming in your mind. Imagine that you are swimming. Mentally, believe that you are in a pool, standing in the water, feeling the water against your body. You feel the cold water and you are moving your arms and legs as if you are swimming. And you are thinking it is exciting, it's fun, it's experience. You are relaxed and it feels good to be swimming. As you begin to imagine this, the subconscious mind will begin to rewire itself from negative thoughts of swimming into positive thoughts. Again, do this about 10 minutes every day for 21 days and you will be ready to jump in the pool. This is also known as the law of subconscious. And you can apply this technique to almost any fear that you may have. The second thing that you can do is do what you fear. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, do the things you are afraid to do and the death of fear is certain. If you are afraid of something, don't let it overcome you. You have to face it head on. If you have a fear of public speaking, go out and start speaking. If you have a fear of heights, start climbing mountains, and so on. Be positive towards that fear and master it. Soon you will start living without fear. The third thing that you can do is make a decision. Make decisions based on what is best for you, not how it may or may not appear to others. You will never ever be able to please everyone, so stop trying to. You will never ever be right in everybody's eyes, so stop trying to. When you make a decision, ask yourself why I am making this decision. Is it based on fear? Make decisions based on what is right and best for your life, regardless of what others think. Remember, there are certain fears that are positive and healthy, and some that are bad and negative. It is the bad and negative fears that we need to change or we need to overcome. Thanks.